Good afternoon, students. I'm Professor G.D. Padil, Assistant Professor in Department of Processing and Food Engineering, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Okay. Today's we are going to study on the topic freeze drying. Freeze drying is a process used to dry extremely heat-sensitive materials. It allows the drying without excessive damage of proteins, products, and even microorganisms, which retain small but significant viability of the product. In this process, the initial liquid solutions or suspension is frozen. The pressure above the frozen state is reduced and the water removed by sublimation. Thus, a liquid to vapor transition takes place, but here three states of matter involve: liquid to solid and then solid to vapor. So this is the phase diagram for water. Means triple point of water, generally three states: solid, liquid and vapor. The diagram consists of three separate areas representing the phases of water, solid, liquid and vapor. Okay, means the point O is the only point where all three phases can coexist and is known as the triple point. On heating at constant atmospheric pressure, ice will melt when the temperature rises to 0 degrees Celsius. At this constant temperature and pressure, it will then change to water. Continued heating will raise the temperature of the water to 100 degrees Celsius, where if heat addition is continued, the liquid water will be converted into water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. If our solid ice is maintained at a pressure below the triple point, then on heating the ice will sublime and pass directly to water vapor without passing through the liquid phase. This sublimation process and therefore drying can occur at a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. This will only happen if the pressure is prevented from rising above the triple point pressure. It may thought that as the process takes place at a low temperature, that heat required to sublime the ice will be small. So this is the freeze dryer. Okay, means figure of freeze dryer. It consists of doors, then drying chamber, then ice condenser, vacuum pumping, and then refrigeration systems also provided. Freeze dryer. The drying chamber means number of product kept inside the drying chamber. Okay, means that time heating system also provided at the bottom of freeze dryer for supplying heat to the product. Okay, means at the temperature below the freezing point. Okay, that time drying is done in freeze dryer due to sublimation process. Okay, means directly solid to vapor converted. Okay, means water convert from solid to direct vapor form. Okay, stages of the freeze drying process: the number of stages. First stage is freezing stage, means self freezing, centrifugally evaporating freezing. Second stage is vacuum application stage. Then third, sublimation stage, includes primary drying, heat transfer, vapor removal, rate of drying. Fourth stage, secondary drying, and last, packaging. Okay, these are stages of the freeze drying process. Okay, means first is self freezing, means centrifugal evaporating freezing. Then vacuum application stage, and then sublimation stage, means primary drying is done. Then heat transfer, vapor removal, also rate of drying, including in sublimation stage. And then secondary drying is completed, and then packaging. Okay, these are stages of the freeze drying process. The advantages of freeze drying: the drying takes place at very low temperature, so the chemical decomposition means decompositions. Okay, chemical decompositions, particularly hydrolysis, is minimized. The solution is frozen, occupying the same volume as the original solution. Thus, the product is light and porous. The porous form of product gives ready solubility. There is no concentration of solutions prior to drying. Hence, salts do not concentrate and denature proteins as occurs with other drying methods. As the process takes place under high vacuum, there is little contact with air and oxidation is minimized. Then disadvantages of freeze drying and also uses of freeze drying. There are two main disadvantages of freeze drying. The porosity, ready solubility and complete dryness yield a very hygroscopic product unless products are dried in their final container and sealed in situ packing requires special condition. The process is very slow and uses complicated plant which is very expensive. It is not a general method of drying but limited to certain types of available products. Okay, so these are disadvantages of freeze drying. Then uses of freeze drying. The method is used for product that cannot be dried by any other heat method. Okay, means this include biological products, example antibiotics, blood products, vaccines, enzymes, preparations, microbiological cultures, and also other products. Okay, that is the uses of freeze drying.